GAM series goosenecks come in 3 different lengths. They all start with GN, which stands for goosenecks, and are followed by a number which indicates the length of each gooseneck in centimeters. The GN15 is a 15 centimeter or 6-inch gooseneck. The GN30 is a 30 centimeter or 12-inch gooseneck. And the GN50 is a 50 centimeter or 20-inch gooseneck. There are also 4 distinct bases with different functionality. The GN series has a flange mount base for flush and table mount applications, as well as on stands. The GNE series has a 3-pin XLR connection and could be considered a standard gooseneck connection. We also have a 3-pin gooseneck called the ESP, which stands for Programmable Switch. This can be a push-to-talk, push-to-mute, or latch on and off, programmable by the installer. Finally, the GNE 5-pin has the standard XLR base, but the feature set of a 5-pin, which allows us to then control the LED ring with 2 of the extra pins. Each gooseneck has an integrated LED ring. This LED ring will be activated when phantom power is applied. You can override the ring if you don't want to see the LED by removing jumper 1 in the internal phantom powering module circuitry. For easy access to the module, remove the retaining screw and pull the module out. Here's where you'll find the jumpers. Removing jumper 1 will override the LED ring so it no longer illuminates, and removing jumper 2 will activate the 200 Hz 6 dB roll-off to eliminate some of the mechanical noise. It comes standard with both jumpers installed, meaning there's no roll-off engaged, and the activation of the LED will show phantom power is present at the gooseneck. Installing any of the 5 compatible CK microphone capsules to the GN gooseneck module is easy. Hold the gooseneck with 2 fingers behind the base and gently seat the capsule in by twisting the gold-plated thread into the base until it stops. Once secure, slip on the additional windscreen.